Namaskar. Welcome to the 20th convocation of Assam University. This is a short video tutorial on the instructions to be followed by the degree holders who will be attending the 20th convocation of Assam University. The 20th convocation of Assam University will be held at the Assam University Silchar campus at the Netaji Mukto Manch on 4th and 5th of March 2023 from 12 noon onwards. That is on Saturday and Sunday. This is a short video tutorial that will provide the do's and don'ts to be followed by the candidates during the convocation ceremony. Now let's have a look at the schedule of the courses where the candidates will be awarded with their degrees. On 4th March 2023, that is on Saturday, the first day of the convocation, the candidates belonging to the following courses will be awarded with their degrees. These courses are PhD, MPhil, MA, MSc, MCom, MBA, MBA HTM, MTech, MEd, MLIS, MVA, MSW, MJMC, LLM, Integrated BSc in Computer Science, Integrated BSW, Integrated BA LLB Honours, Integrated BVA, Integrated BSc BEd, BTech, BPharma, BPA, BVOC University, BVOC College, BSc, BCom, BBA, BCA, BEd, LLB. On the second day of the convocation, that is on 5th March 2023, Sunday, only the Bachelor in Art candidates will be awarded with their degrees. Candidates receiving their degrees on respective dates are requested to report at 8 a.m. at the counters set up adjacent to the Bipin Chandra Pal Auditorium near the main entrance of the university. The convocation dress will be distributed from the counters set up in front of Bipin Chandra Pal Auditorium. The dresses will be distributed from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. on both the days. The whole ground in front of Bipin Chandra Pal Auditorium will be covered. Therefore, the candidates can wear their dresses anywhere, as it is an over-the-dress gown. Candidates will have to show their hall tickets for the collection of their dresses. No dresses will be issued without valid hall tickets. The students should produce a printed copy of the hall tickets at the counters set up. This is the copy of the hall ticket. The candidate should download the hall ticket from the link shown on the screen by entering their registration number and their date of birth. After collecting the dresses, the students will wear the same and enter the convocation hall in a procession. Before the start of the procession, they will stay at the Bipin Chandra Pal Auditorium. After collecting the dresses, putting them on, the students will proceed towards the main entrance to stand in the queue, which will stretch from near the main entrance towards the health center. There will be student volunteers with placards mentioning the degrees. Students have to stand in the queue behind the student volunteers as per their degrees. Students will march towards the convocation hall when asked to and take their respective seats as per their sitting arrangement. The students' procession will enter the convocation auditorium in queue and will occupy the chairs from the front side as per the sequence or signboards. The gold medal awardee shall sit in the first chair of the first row of their respective designated sitting arrangement. The sequence starts with the PhD scholars, MPhil, PG and UG. There should not be any shuffle of the students. No chair should be kept vacant. Once the authority procession enters the convocation hall, all the students must stand till the authority procession occupies their seats. Other instructions will be given in the auditorium itself. After the convocation, they have to deposit the convocation dress and should obtain a sealed receipt from counters before collecting the certificates. No certificate will be issued without proper receipt of convocation dress return. The certificates will be issued from the designated counters located near the Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences. For more information, please log on to our Assam University website www.assam.ac.in. aus.ac.in. Thank you.